hourly rates, and overtime. So you finally got your first job, but you want to see if you got paid correctly. For most first jobs, you get paid at an hourly rate. To do this, we need the following key formulas. Total pay is equal to the hourly rate times the total number of hours worked. The hourly rate is equal to the total pay divided by the total hours worked, and the total hours worked is equal to the total pay divided by the hourly rate. Kara is an engineer who earns $35 an hour. How much does she earn in 5 hours? The total pay is equal to $35 an hour times the number of hours that she works, which is 5 hours. So 35 times 5 gives us $175. Cashton is a builder who earns $380 in 8 hours. What is his hourly rate? His total pay was $380 divided by the 8 hours that he worked gives us an hourly rate of $47.50. Sharifa is an accountant who earns $57.50 an hour. She was paid $2,012.50 in a week. How many hours did she work? If we take her total pay, which is $2,012.50, and then divide it by her hourly rate, which was $57.50, we get a total of 35 hours. Let's have a look at some definitions. Overtime is getting paid extra for working beyond your normal hours. Penalty rates is getting paid extra for working at times when others don't. This could be working nights, public holidays, or weekends. You typically get paid time and a half, double time, or a percentage on top of what you would normally get. So what is double time? They pay you as if you worked twice as many hours than actually what you worked. So if you worked 4 hours, it is treated as if you worked 8 hours. Time and a half is similar to double time. However, they pay you once plus half that many hours again. So if you worked 4 hours, it is treated as if you worked 6 hours. There is an alternative way of looking at it. Double time is the same as getting paid double your hourly rate. Time and a half is the same as getting paid 1.5 times your hourly rate. So it is more or less the same thing. We're going to need some additional formulas. Double time pay is equal to the hourly rate times the hours worked multiplied by 2. Time and a half is the hourly rate times the hours worked times 1.5. The total pay is going to be our normal pay plus any overtime accumulated. Alida is paid $25 an hour for the first 38 hours and then is paid time and a half for the hours beyond this. Alida works 43 hours in a week. How much do they get paid? Well, their normal pay is the $25 an hour times the first 38 hours. That gives us a total of $950. Their overtime is going to be $25 an hour times 5 because that's the difference between the 43 hours and the first 38 hours. So they did 5 hours of overtime at time and a half. Time and a half is the same as multiplying by 1.5. That gives us a total of $187.50. To get the total pay, we simply add this all together. Sue Jin is paid $21 an hour for the first 36 hours and then paid time and a half for the next 4 hours and double time for the hours worked beyond this. Sue Jin works 45 hours in a week. How much do they get paid? The normal pay is going to be $21 an hour times the first 36 hours, which gives us $756. Time and a half, well, there was 4 hours worked at this rate. So 21 times 4 times 1.5 gives us $126. There's still 5 hours not accounted for, which is going to be our double time pay. So 21 times 5 times 2 gives us $210. In total, we end up with $1,092. So let's recap. Overtime or penalty rates occur when you work beyond your normal hours or at times when others typically don't want to work. When there are different pay rates for different hours work out each part of the pay calculation separately and then add it all together. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Please leave a review and a comment. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an experienced mathematics teacher with a passion for teaching financial literacy. Please read the disclaimer.